Hello, parents. I'm going to go over some letters that we did this week. The first one is Bubba Bear. Bubba Bear says buh, buh. So we pretend like we're reaching for some honey, and he goes buh, 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 as he puts it into his mouth. The next one is Umber Umbrella Bird. Umber Umbrella Bird says, ah, ah, ah. She puts her little umbrella over her head and she says, ah, ah, ah. The next one is Jerry Jellyfish. Jerry Jellyfish says, ja, ja, ja. It's not sha, it's ja, ja. And she has a lot of tentacles, so she goes ja, ja, ja. The next one is Kyo Kangaroo. Kyo Kangaroo says k, k, k. And she takes her little paws and she goes k, 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 k. And the last one is Gordo Gorilla. Gordo Gorilla says ga, ga, ga. And Gordo Gorilla pounds her chest as she goes ga, 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 ga. Please practice these during the week so that your child can learn all of the letter sounds. Thank you. Bye-bye.